Welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can manually reconcile bank statement with system transactions. Click on Navigator. Click on Cash Management. Click on Bank Statements and Reconciliation. Click on Task List or Task Pane. Now click on Manual Reconciliation. In the earlier video, we have already created one bank statement record manually. If you haven't watched that, please watch it, and after that you can watch this video. And now select your bank account, ERPZEN BOA bank account. Here click on search. Here you can see this is the bank statement lines. This is the system transactions. Now you have to select this record and the amount is 30,738, and this is the amount. Actually, in our previous video we have rounded off to 38. So select this bank statement line and select this system transaction. Now say reconcile. Okay, the amount should be equal. Say let's take another example. We'll take another example. Okay, we'll create another one. Click on Navigator. Click on Create Bank Statement. Select your bank account, ERPZEN bank account. Oh, take period start date is May 1st and 31st. Click on statement lines. Statement ID 1072. Click on save. Or click on add. Booking date, say 1st May. Reconciliation reference, say 7890. Transaction code CHK. And flow indicator debit. Will take $60,000. Now say OK. Now say save. OK. Say save and close. OK. Now say OK. Or click on task list or task pane. Click on manual reconciliation. Select your bank account, ERPZEN BOA account, hit search. Now you can see $60,000. Select this record and select this record, and you can see selected one and the amount is $60,000 and the difference is 0. Now if you click on reconcile, say yes. Now the statements are reconciled. If you click on reconciled, you can see those lines. Search with your bank account, hit search. See, these are the reconciled lines. Click on done. Click on home. This is how you can do a manual reconciliation in Oracle Fusion. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.